everybody doing this year? Good, because we're back with another video. So guys, thanks all of my new subscribers. I want to thank you. And thanks for all my riders. I really appreciate each and every one of you guys. Yes, we're going into a new year, okay? So yes, let's bring our best. So today your girl, huh? Yeah, I'm doing fine, okay? So today your girl is cooking some deviled eggs. I was in the mood for some deviled eggs, and I know a lot of us does not cook these the same way. So for our deviled eggs today, we are going to use a little sandwich bread. When you say, well, why sandwich bread and not Miracle Whip and all of that? Because sandwich bread has everything built in it. Okay, you got the relish. You get everything. Okay, so, but anywho, we're going to use a little black pepper. We're going to use a little soul seasoning. And I have my special made up, even though it's in a dash container. Okay, don't fault me, okay? But I made up this little seasoning, okay? And we're going to put this into the mixture. So if you're ready for this video, you guys, I'm going to need you guys to thumbs this video straight up, subscribe to the channel, and yeah, come join your girl. I would love to meet you. You guys, let's do one better. Let's love on each other content. Let's share, okay? You guys, 2020, there's no room for hating. So if you guys is ready for this video, you guys, I'm going to need you guys to stay tuned. Okay, so we're back, and first of all, we added our eggs over in here. Now we divided our eggs right here, you guys. This is the way I divide, and I pulled the yolk out. Okay, so we're gonna smash this yolk on up, and we're gonna get it less chunks as possible. Now I have 7 eggs here, which made 14 halves. And we got to stretch this so that we can have this reach each and every one of them. Now this is one of my mom's favorite recipes, you guys. And yeah, your girl loves to do deviled eggs now and then. They make perfect snacks. They make nice appetizers for brunch. You know, you can enjoy these any time of the day. You guys, I'm sorry if that gets on some people's nerves. Okay, now first thing I'm going to add is a little mustard. Now I have 1 tablespoon of mustard, you guys, because I like that tang. And yeah, like I said, this is my mom's recipe. So your girl got that in there. Okay, I'm sorry. So now we're gonna add us some sandwich bread. Look at all that goodness in that sandwich bread. You see it? You guys. And we're gonna add another one. I just love sandwich bread. And I love it because it has everything in it. You don't have to add the relish and all the little different ingredients in there. And we're going to put a little black pepper. Now, some people don't request seasoning in it, but your girl do, okay? Your girl like a seasoning. And, well, we're going to top that with that. Let's put a little of this in here, because we got a little of this and a little of that, okay? And there's also no salt added in my little special seasoning. Okay? And we're going to give this a mix. And voila. That's it. Now, some people will put this in the refrigerator and they will let it get cold. You know, but your girl already doing this at room temp. Okay? I'm already doing this at room temp. So your girl don't see no need in refrigerating it before I start my filling. Mm. Wait 1 minute, you guys. Okay, guys, so we're going to fill our bag up. I wonder, can this get in here? So we're going to fill our bag up with the filling. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. I shouldn't have did that. Okay, guys, give me a hot minute. Okay, guys, so we're back. So we have all of our we have all our mixture in here, and we're gonna squeeze it until we fill it up. Now we actually have all of our cups filled, but I'm gonna go over them again because I like filled cups. And waste not, want not. Now I know I could have edited some of it out. You guys, that's mine. That's the taste one. But I believe in showing the actual video. Okay. Well, wait a minute. That look like it's not filled. So we actually got all of it did. And so we're here. Let me prep it and get it ready. So guys, we are back, and this is my take on double eggs. Take one. I guarantee you will enjoy it. So if this is your first time viewing this video for the first time, thumbs it up, subscribe to the channel, come join your cuz. I would love to have you. Share this video with any and everyone. Let them know what your girl is doing on her channel. And make sure your notification bell is on so whenever I load up a video, you guys can be the first to see it. You guys, if you want something different, take a twist and come try one of my recipes. I'm sure in all of my videos there's something you guys will enjoy. So sending much love. Oh, you know what? Let me taste one. Let's taste one. You guys, go ahead. Creamy. You guys. Yeah. This is a double egg. Mm, mm, mm. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Share this recipe in your friends and family, events. You would not regret it. And it saves a lot of time too. So, sending much love from my house to yours. Bye.